Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session I will share with you how you can use DeepSeek latest R1 model on Raspberry Pi 4 using latest Raspberry Pi OS bookworm 64-bit version. But before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today I will share with you how you can use DeepSeek model LLM model on Raspberry Pi 4 with latest Raspberry Pi OS bookworm 64-bit version. So for that, first we will use the API key, but if you visit their website, as you can see DeepSeek API docs, and your first API call API key, if you click on apply for API key, there is error which is service unavailable. Simple. So for that, what we will do, we will use a Grok Cloud API key, because on the Grok Cloud, if you go their playground, here you can select the model. Here you can select the model and we can simply select the latest model, which is DeepSeek R1, which is latest model. Simple. So we can use the Grok Cloud API key and we can call the DeepSeek R1 model. So for that, simply visit the Grok Cloud, create the account with your Gmail ID and just generate the API key. Just click on API key and here we will create our API key. So click on create API key. So here friends, we want to select our project name. You can mention any project name. I have mentioned the RPi4. Now simply wait, it will verify and then we can click on submit button. So friends, as you can see, verification is completed. Now click on submit button and it will generate our API key. So this is what my API key. Just copy it and open the new text document and paste it our API key. File and save it. Done. Now we will close Grok Cloud website. Done. And now for the code, I have created new repository, which is the DeepSeek RPi. I will mention the link. You need to simply copy paste the link inside web browser. Then go to the code and click on download zip. It will download our zip format repository. We successfully downloaded. Now just open the file manager. Then go to the downloads, our repository, right click, extract here. It will extract our repository. So now we will move the folder inside our home. Just paste it. Done. Now this is what our repository, DeepSeek RPi main. Open it and open agent.py with the help of Thony Python IDE. Done. As you can see, this is what our code. So we need a packages. We will use here Llama Index and we will use here Llama Index Core. So Llama Index LLMS Grok. So this is what our first package. Just copy as it is. Copy it. Copy, open tools, manage packages, Ctrl+V, and it will search for the package. Click on search on PyPy. Then first package, click on install button. Done. It will install our Llama Index LLMS Grok. Then we need Llama Index hyphen core. Llama Index hyphen core. Hit enter. It will search for the package. First package, Llama Index hyphen core. Click on install button. Done. It will install our package. So we need Llama Index Grok, Llama Index LLMS Grok, Llama Index core. This is the packages which we need. And then now we will create our agent. So initialize Grok LLM DeepSeek model. So here LLM is equal to Grok and model, which is our DeepSeek latest model. And then here we want to mention our API key, our Grok Cloud API key. And then here basically we create a system role and user role. So here first initialize the system role. So system role is basically the message, then the chat message, this chat message, role, message role dot system, and the content. So the system means our agent is basically, as I mentioned, I have mentioned here, you are a Jarvis, my personal assistant, be helpful and professional. You can mention your text, your content, simple. So this is what my system role, and then it will print simple a normal message, Jarvis is online, type exit to end conversation. Means it will say the Jarvis is online. If I want to exit from the code, I will simply type the exit and it will stop the code. Then we have our while loop. So user input, simple input method, simple Python input method, user input, input you means us. Then the user input lower is equal to exit, means if we type the exit, the Jarvis goodbye message will be print. And then the message dot append, again this is for the user role. As you can see, message role, from again here message role, this time dot user. This is what the system, this is what user. Content, user input, simple. And then the response. So response we will send for LLM our DeepSeek model, and then the message dot chat message, and it will print, we will print our response, simple. Now we want to mention our API key, so copy it, open 20 Python ID, and our API key is here, Ctrl+V, save it, and let's just run the code. So friends, our agent is online, Jarvis is online, so we can simply ask any question. So let's just say what is AI, or you can ask any question, it will mention their response using DeepSeek model. So here it is, as you can see, we have our response, what is AI, Jarvis, assistant, thing. Okay, so I need to figure out what is AI, and then we have full details about AI, simple. And then if I simply type exit, goodbye, and code will be end. So this is how friends you can use DeepSeek R1, which is the latest model on Raspberry Pi 4 using Grok Cloud API key. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.